morning, everyone. Happy Memorial Day weekend. Hope you guys doing great and have a great plan with your families. Me and my daughter are going to San Diego Safari Park. I had a wonderful day yesterday at my school, USD, for the graduation ceremony, and I'm really happy that my daughter is with me. And Tebu Tugu from Santa Barbara had, graciously accepted to attend my ceremony. And thank you very much, Tebu Tugu, and see you soon. And now we're heading, take this baby shot now. We're heading to Safari Park, San Diego.
Seated while the tram is in motion and only stand up when I'm completely stopped. And last but not least, if you ever have any medical emergencies, you just have to press that yellow strip you will see on the side of your cart and above your head. But if you're in the front cart, then you do not have one of those here looking out. You want to have eyes in different directions so that if any prayer comes from the northeast, for example, at least one of them will be able to see it coming. And that way it will alert all others so they can all quickly run away and get back to safety. We also have some flamingos, the beautiful flamingos with those really iconic pink colors. And do you know a fun fact? The ancient Egyptians, they used the flamingo silhouette as their hieroglyph for the color red. So if you ever go to Egypt, to the pyramids, and there you see a little flamingo hieroglyph, well, now you know that that is telling you that something out there is red. Well, probably not anymore, but it was red thousands of years ago. Look at these animals in their necks. They have a little pouch there. Well, that little pouch is something called a dewlap, and the dewlap is full of blood vessels. So what these animals do to stay cool is that they will send all the warm blood only one male, all the others are female. Well, you'll see that one of them has some little cute and tiny. Now that baby may look really tiny, but let me tell you that